But if I stay for long, I go see meet am. Please, let's clear the eye. Daddy and mommy. Yeah, we need daddy and mommy now. Please, we need you upstairs. You can follow. Now, as you are going upstairs, make sure you carry your ATM card. Me over go studio. We are going for the official opening of this wonderful store. At the feet and those who pay.
Because we want to open it properly, so okay, but the generator is something like okay, no problem. Generator ṣe yìí là ṣe mọ́.